Living with diabetes doesn't mean giving up delicious food. In fact, the right meals can help you stabilize blood sugar, improve your energy, and protect your long-term health. In this video, I'll share a 7-day diabetes-friendly meal plan that is designed with less grains and more protein, healthy fats, vegetables, sprouts, nuts, seeds, and yogurt. Each day will include breakfast, lunch, and dinner ideas that are simple to prepare, tasty to eat, and most importantly, supportive of your health goals. Day 1 Breakfast. Start your morning with a bowl of creamy Greek yogurt. Add a handful of walnuts, some pumpkin seeds, and a small serving of fresh blueberries. The yogurt gives you protein and probiotics, the nuts and seeds provide healthy fats, and the berries add natural sweetness along with powerful antioxidants. This combination will keep you full and energized without spiking your blood sugar. Lunch. For lunch, enjoy large grilled chicken salad. Combine fresh cucumber, spinach leaves, and cherry tomatoes, and drizzle everything with olive oil and a squeeze of lemon. The lean chicken supplies high-quality protein, while the vegetables give you fiber and vitamins that help control blood sugar and improve digestion. Dinner. In the evening, go for pan-seared salmon. Serve it with a side of steamed broccoli and lightly sautéed zucchini. Salmon is rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are great for heart health, and the non-starchy vegetables help you end the day with a light but nourishing meal. Day 2 Breakfast. Begin your day with a bowl of sprouts salad. Add chopped cucumber, juicy tomato, a sprinkle of coriander, and finish it with a squeeze of lemon juice. Sprouts are high in protein and fiber, which makes them an excellent grain-free choice for breakfast. Lunch. At lunchtime, prepare a colorful tofu and vegetable stir-fry. Toss cubes of tofu with bell peppers, zucchini, and broccoli, and sprinkle sesame seeds on top. Tofu gives you plant-based protein, while sesame seeds add crunch and healthy fats that help you feel satisfied longer. Dinner. For dinner, enjoy grilled paneer seasoned with mild spices. Pair it with roasted bell peppers and a bowl of leafy greens like spinach or kale. This meal is rich in calcium, protein, and antioxidants, making it both filling and healing for your body. Day 3 Breakfast. On day 3, start with 2 boiled eggs served alongside fresh avocado slices. Add a small handful of almonds to complete the plate. The eggs and avocado give you protein and healthy fats, while almonds provide crunch, fiber, and extra satiety. This type of breakfast keeps blood sugar stable for hours. Lunch. For lunch, make a chickpea salad. Mix boiled chickpeas with onions, tomatoes, cucumber, and coriander, and dress it with olive oil and lemon juice. Chickpeas are high in protein and fiber, helping you stay full while supporting gut health and digestion. Dinner. In the evening, prepare a grilled chicken breast seasoned with herbs. Serve it with a generous portion of sautéed spinach and mushrooms. This low-carb, protein-rich dinner keeps things light while ensuring your body gets essential minerals like iron and magnesium. Day 4 Breakfast. Begin the day with chia seed pudding. Mix chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk and let it sit overnight. In the morning, top it with flax seeds and a few fresh raspberries. This breakfast is rich in omega-3 fatty acids and fiber, which support heart health and keep you feeling satisfied. Lunch. For lunch, try a comforting bowl of lentil soup. Serve it alongside stir-fried okra and a small cabbage salad. Lentils provide plant-based protein, while the fiber-rich vegetables keep digestion smooth and blood sugar levels steady. Dinner. At dinner, grill a piece of fish such as tilapia or cod. Pair it with roasted cauliflower and green beans. The fish provides lean protein, while the roasted vegetables bring flavor and crunch without unnecessary carbohydrates. Day 5 Breakfast. On day 5, enjoy paneer scramble cooked with onions and spinach. Sprinkle pumpkin seeds over the top for extra nutrition. This dish is rich in protein, calcium, and healthy fats, making it a perfect low-carb breakfast option. Lunch. For lunch, go for a sprouts and moong dal salad. Add cucumber, tomato, and fresh coriander leaves. The combination of sprouts and moong dal provides protein and fiber, which help keep hunger away and prevent sugar spikes. Dinner. In the evening, enjoy turkey or chicken kebabs grilled with mild spices. Serve with a large salad made from lettuce, cucumber, and tomatoes. This dinner is flavorful yet blood sugar friendly, keeping your body satisfied without grains. Day 6 Breakfast. Start your morning with Greek yogurt once again, but this time add sunflower seeds, walnuts, and half a kiwi. The yogurt gives you protein, the seeds and nuts add crunch and healthy fats, and the kiwi provides natural sweetness with vitamin C. Lunch. For lunch, prepare an egg salad. Mix boiled eggs with chopped lettuce, cucumber, and a little olive oil. Eggs are an excellent protein source, and pairing them with fresh greens makes this meal both filling and refreshing. Dinner. For dinner, go for grilled paneer or tofu. Pair it with sautéed broccoli and carrots cooked lightly in olive oil. This combination provides protein, fiber, and antioxidants, giving you a nutrient-packed way to end the day. Day 7 Breakfast. On the final day, start with a green smoothie. Blend fresh spinach, cucumber, unsweetened yogurt, chia seeds, and a few almonds. This drink is refreshing, easy to digest, and filled with fiber, protein, and healthy fats. Lunch. For lunch, prepare a quinoa and chickpea salad. Add olive oil, lemon juice, and some fresh parsley. While quinoa is technically a grain, it is high in protein and fiber, making it a much better choice than refined carbs. Dinner. End the week with a delicious grilled fish or chicken dish. Pair it with roasted Brussels sprouts and zucchini. This light dinner is low in carbs but high in flavor, protein, and essential nutrients. Closing. This 7-day diabetes-friendly plan focuses on balanced meals with fewer grains and more protein, healthy fats, vegetables, sprouts, nuts, seeds, and yogurt. Each meal is designed to keep your blood sugar stable while giving your body the nutrition it needs. By following this plan, you'll notice better energy, fewer cravings, and improved control over your appetite. The best part is, these meals are simple to prepare and full of flavor, so eating healthy never feels like a burden. If you found this meal plan helpful, don't forget to subscribe for more health advice and practical tips for diabetes management. And let me know in the comments, which of these meals would you like to try first? Right pointing finger emoji. Would you like me to also expand this further into a full daily schedule, including healthy snacks, portion tips, and timing guidance, for example, when to eat and how much, so it becomes a complete 7-day diabetes meal plan video?